Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the MMA welding machine, featuring a 30 extra long cable for stable welding performance. The ARC-200C offers dual voltage 110V and 220V for compatibility with various grids. This machine supports two welding modes, MMA and lift TIG, and comes with advanced features such as hot start, arc force, and VRD. Now, let's plug in and test this machine with the 30 cable and see it in action. The automatic current compensation feature makes it incredibly easy to start the arc and ensures stable welding performance, even in challenging conditions. This machine can be used for various electrodes including E6010, E6011, E6013, and E7018, and you will find the welding experience to be exceptionally smooth. We even tried a 5.0 electrode on carbon steel with excellent results. Additionally, we tested the lift TIG mode on stainless steel, and the outcome was equally impressive. Whether outdoors or at heights that requiring a long cable, the ARC-200C is your reliable partner with auto current compensation.